kind of nice. And for us too as well. We have the lights on the other side. Let's try a selfie of the selfie. Selfie of the selfie. Yeah. How are you doing? Do we keep climbing?
Yeah, let's walk a bit. Come on. You'll be tired.
Kuala Lumpur.
Shorts.
Hmm?
I need shorts.
It's short. If you need short, it's not the shop side. The shop side is the other side.
You can go to the shop side.
Unless you go to the, how is it called, the place? Are you going left? Are you going right?
I'm following the leader.
The leader is here, and you seem to be. They've lost your.
I'm not allowed to take a picture,
Wow.
but I'm being led.
If you run away from the leader. So like. It's a concept. What a concept. H10 casino.
It reminds me a bit of La Manga, where we were sitting, you know, the last drop or whatever it was called.
Exactly.
Seafood restaurant.
It's kind of have two levels, huh? So a walking level and a beach level.
Which we know from here.
And you don't like the beach level?
So I'll follow you with the leader.
The leader is the leader. The leader takes you to the beach level. That's a residence on top of a...
We've seen something about that terrazza.
Go to your right, to your right, or to the left if you want to see the beach. Ah, that's Villa Mar. At least I can see some destinations of sorts.
Are we almost booked there? We almost booked there.
Yeah. There's a bench here. You want to sit on the bench?
You sit. Let's walk.
I hear more French this side and more English on our sides.
much about it that we will never put our feet in there. It is short socks.
So tomorrow we could either go over there. It's Playa de Troya, where you see the green, the brown, which is supposed to be much more quiet. Artists are always like that until they have the break to... Oh, he was actually singing for real. Today? They have this way of selling stuff. It's Hotel Grand Tenerife.
Yeah.
Wow. This is